lang sa cabin, I was really impressed. Dako kaayo ang seat. I even thought walking in the aisle sa airplane na ako sa premium economy. Pero economy muna dito ako ang area of where I will sit. Lapad kayo ang space. And then, dako kayo ilang monitor sa TV. Kwapo pod kayo ilang entertainment options and dako kayo ang ilahang TV and monitor. The ambient lighting was so beautiful. Naa pa ang ceiling that imitates stars at night. And I've also researched na riding an A380, since kani siya ang mga top of the line sa mga airplane, they can generally offer better cabin pressure. Altitude na around 6,000 feet lang compared to 8,000 feet sa mga older and traditional airplanes. So kaning lower altitude means na higher oxygen level ang cabin. So it reduces stress, fatigue, and jet lag. So gwapo kayo ni siya pang long haul flights. And I've come to terms in traveling of my life na pinaka-importante is I have access sa aisles. So dili na gid ko gusto ang mga window seats because I want easier access sa CR. Since medyo maka-dehydrate gid ang pagsakay sa airplane, gusto ko sige inom og tubig para mas ma-rehydrate ko. So, this Emirates flight, since gwapo kayo ilang airplane, naa sila yung mga cameras for me to see what's outside. So, dili na gid nako kayo ma-miss sitting on the window. And one of the best thing also is naa sila live TV, and timing kayo on this flight, there was a live Wimbledon game. So nagtanaw pod ko ato. An hour after flying, nag-serve na sila og first meal, our dinner. And medyo okay raman po ang ilang food. Ganahan ko sa variety, and they're very generous in terms of portion. If ever gusto niyo mo duha ka drinks, you can just request. Very generous ang Emirates in terms of giving you additional food. And just like that, after eating a lot and also watching a lot of tennis, we arrive at Dubai. Pag-abot sa Dubai, efficient sad kaayo ang Emirates. They will really guide you, especially sa connection, since it's a very known hub and spoke model airport. So you just have to follow the signs, and there are people waiting for you na i-guide mo nila kung asang terminal or connections mo pa doon. And after 2 hours, it's time to fly the longest flight of my life. This time, wala ta ka-timing o A380 kay ang flight padulong Dallas, they fly Boeing 777-300 extra long range.